So our next speaker is Adrian from Hacarus.
Hello and konnichiwa. My name is Adrian and I'm the Vice President of Global Sales at Hacarus, scale up from Kyoto, Japan. I'm dialing in from Japan today, 8 hours ahead of you. So while you're still on Thursday, I'm already on Friday. And what I'm excited to share with you today is our award-winning solution for smart manufacturing. And first things first, if this presentation sparks your interest, you'd like to learn more, schedule a demo, or conduct a free feasibility study with your data and our AI, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact me at adrian@hacarus.com. Okay. So I'm here to introduce SPECTRO, our platform for AI-enabled image and time series data analysis to detect defects and error in manufacturing, as well as predictive maintenance. On average, we help customers reduce manual inspections by 35% by vastly reducing the amount of reclassification work needed by human inspectors. SPECTRO is able to train AI models faster with far less data and achieves more accurate results when compared with competing solutions. So what can you do with SPECTRO? SPECTRO comes pre-bundled with Hacarus' proprietary AI engine, which includes a series of algorithms trained to provide defect detection, missing part and misalignment detection, pattern matching, as well as analysis of time series data, such as vibrations and sounds from machinery to predict failures well before they occur. So now that you know what SPECTRO is capable of, I'd like to shift focus to look at what type of value this has brought to customers in Japan in the past. So in the first example, we worked with an automotive mega tier 1 with quality assessment of PCB boards that go into telematic control units, the brains of modern cars. More specifically, this customer wanted to reduce the over-detection and errors in soldering. With SPECTRO, we were able to reduce the overdetection by 40%. Another area where we can deliver strong customer value is inspection of precision parts. In this example, we worked with a manufacturer of gears for the automotive industry that was looking for ways to reduce the amount of manual inspection needed. Using SPECTRO, we were able to reduce the amount of manual re-inspections needed by 30%. A client in the semiconductor industry was looking for a solution which could automatically detect errors and defects, and Hacarus was able to provide a solution with 95% accuracy in detection. If you'd like to learn more about these use cases, just send me an email and I'll be happy to follow up with you. So, what our customers really like about SPECTRO and enables us to have these results are the key benefits that we're able to deliver. These are things like that we're able to work with small data sets. Where competing technologies require thousands of samples, we can get started with as little as 20. That we're resource efficient and can run in non-GPU environments and without the needs for connected to external clouds for data processing. All tasks can be run on standard CPUs like the ones you already have deployed. They like that our models provide results that are human understandable by design due to the powerful technology powering SPECTRO. And they were flexible, offering both image and time series analysis in the same tool. Now, these benefits are all related to the core technology of SPECTRO, which is based around sparse modeling, which is a far more resource and efficient alternative to the more common AI technique, deep learning. So how does SPECTRO core technology stack up against competing AI technologies? An article published by Cornell University used conventional AI for detection of errors on solar cell manufacturing. Hacarus applied SPECTRO to solve the same problem to test our performance. When comparing SPECTRO's performance against a classifier, an SVM model, or a deep learning approach, a CNN approach, SPECTRO far outperforms the competition. Not only is the accuracy higher, but SPECTRO also creates AI models faster, even when using a far smaller data set. This is also true when we bring it into use cases looking at time series data analysis. Comparing SPECTRO's capabilities to detect anomalies in industrial fans, sounds, and vibrations, we're up to 200 times faster against the more common approach, KNN. SPECTRO is a tool that's made to be flexible with your environment, and we offer several touch points, including a cloud module, a UI-based desktop application, as well as an SDK and a native C++ library for integration with machinery. We also offer a complete evaluation kit with industrial-grade camera and lighting to customers that are just starting to explore the power of AI-based visual inspections to improve their smart factory needs. At Hacarus, we spent the past 7 years working on this technology, and our team of some 70 consists of Japan's arguably most qualified data science talents and are ready to lend their best-in-class development to support you. We work closely with Kyoto, Tohoku, and Shiga University on our core technology, and we supplied solutions into firms such as Mitsubishi Electric, Yanmar, Hitachi, Osaka Gas, DB Mindbox, and Bayer. We work with the usual suspects if you look at our technology partners, and we're now ready to bring these solutions into the European market. If I can leave you just with 3 things, I'd like you to remember. SPECTRO has proven its ability to deliver superior value by using novel AI technology for inspections for top-tier firms across a wide range of industries and inspection targets. SPECTRO is now available to support global customers, including full support of all functions in English, and customer support available in Chinese, German, Swedish, and French. More languages coming soon. Hacarus can help you achieve your AI goals. So if you or someone in your organization would like to learn more about award-winning SPECTRO, feel free to reach out to me directly at adrian@hacarus.com. Thank you for your attention.
That's a wonderful presentation, Adrian, and you are so well in time and everything. So thank you so much for that. So do we have any questions for Adrian? Let me see in the chat if I receive any questions. No, I have no questions as far as I can see. Can you just elaborate a little bit, Adrian, on are you just going abroad, or have you already been abroad as a company, or is this kind of the beginning of the big world domination tour, or where are you more specifically?
We were lucky enough, or I should say positioned well enough to be able to close a fairly substantial Series B round in the end of last year. And one of the main objectives of that round of funding was to take some of the things we built in Japan and works well here and bring them to clients across the world that are facing similar challenges. And that's meant scaling up a team that's going after opportunities. I'm looking after European market. I have colleagues for Greater China region. I have colleagues that are looking after North America. But we're very much so starting out. The one project that I can speak about publicly that we have right now would be the work we're doing with Deutsche Bahn through their Mindbox project. So not quite Sweden, but not too far off.
Oh, that's fine. No, the globe and the universe is our market, so we don't care too much. Thank you so much, Adrian. I'll leave you there, and thank you so much. And I hope that Weird Things can help you get access to a lot of customers and partners and so forth. So looking forward to that.